What's up guys, you're watching the Street Show, and if you're new on my channel then don't forget to subscribe and like. Today we are going to talk about the Sony PlayStation 4 error. The error is that NP-32136-5 trophy not synchronized. So here we go to the screen and I'm at the screen. You just go to the trophies. Here is the trophies. Here you have your all trophies and you want to synchronize to your other account, synchronize to the internet. Which one you want to, or if you want to all, or which just want to one, you just simply synchronize it. Here you press the option button, privacy setting, and synchronize with the PlayStation network. You can synchronize the gaming history, hidden gaming history, and that's how you can synchronize your PlayStation trophies to the network, PlayStation network. Simply that's how. If it's not working, then you have a problem with your local network. Sometimes the network is not working, DNS is not working, a server is down. That's why you get this error. So simply that's how you can do it. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box, and see you soon for the next one, for the next topic.